Yo, what's up, guys? I am at Walmart, and this Sugarloaf vending machine has something new. It's called Glittery Glop. You know what? Let's get one. What color did I get? I think this is gold color. You know what? Let's grab another one. This is the one that used to have the tech blocks in it. Oh yeah, just as I was on my way to this Walmart, I looked in through the window at in the buffet, and I saw that dragon hat in the claw machine. Hopefully that's still there, because I might come back here later. Let's see what color we got this time. Yep, another gold color. You know what? Let's go again, but this time let's hope we get a different color. Come on, different color this time. Oh, we got, I think this is the red color. Yep, we got a red color. You know what? I think I could use a Coke. Oh, this vending machine does take dollar coins, and the Pepsi machine as well. So, yep, this is a dollar coin right here. This is actually a Sacagawea dollar, but this one's a little different. You can tell by the back. Yep, it took it. What? I should have another quarter in my pocket. Yep. You know, I'll get another of these glittery glops. Let's see what color we get this time. Another red color. That's funny. We got two gold colors and two red colors. Oh, damn it. I only got 2 quarters left. I want to get another one. You know what? You know what? That's enough for now. Anyway, the items we got from the Sugarloaf vending machines, which are the new ones, which is Glittery Glop. This is, like I said, this is the spot where the tech blocks used to be. And now we got some Glittery Glop. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.